Hello friends, Amanda with Happy Hop is here. I am so excited to be showing you JuJuBe's newest collection in their MBoss collection. This is Ziggy. Ziggy is going to be coming in two colors. This is going to be your warm sands, and this is baked clay. A little close-up of that. We'll go over the baked clay in just a minute. But for right now, I wanted to focus on warm sand. This is a very pretty raised chevron pattern. It's seriously gorgeous. Pictures don't do it justice. I really love this bright pink rose gold hardware. It's that nice pop of color. All right, so this is the Midi Deluxe. I have never owned a Midi Deluxe before, so I'm very excited to check it out. So it does have the D-rings on either side, and it does come with stroller straps, which I absolutely love that JuJuBe's been including this in their bags. So you got stroller straps for the D-rings. The back has seatbelt straps, adjustable seatbelt straps, and these are actually very comfortable. You have your handle. You have two water bottle pockets. And then in this front pocket, I'm gonna be using this as my pocket for when I use this bag. So I'm gonna call this the mommy pocket. But it's a good size. I can fit all my needs in there. It does have one small zipper in here. And I'll show you guys the lining when I open it up. Unzip it. Let's show you the hardware up close. It's really, this really pretty bright pink rose gold. So this is the interior. It does come with a change pad. Look at that interior. It is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, it's like a pink champagne color. All right, so you have the one big pocket back here that your change pad can go into, and then you have two smaller pockets right here. And then you do have a zipper up here, and it goes, so this top zipper stops right about here. So right there. So I think that's still a good depth, a great spot for keys. Okay, and then the front flap has one big mesh zipper, so it goes all the way down to the bag. You can see, like, the bag that's a good size. It's not, it looks skinny because I don't have anything inside it right now, but it's a good size on the bottom. So yeah, and then let's go over the baked clay. So this is a B set. Also in the new print Ziggy. It does come with 3 pieces and 2 straps. So this is going to be your large B set piece. This is your medium B set piece. And this is your small B set piece. So you can kind of see the difference in all the sizes. I really like using this medium B set piece for my medicine pouch. So that's what I pack all my meds in. Yeah, so if you've seen my videos before, you know that it comes with this small little handle strap that you can attach to the bag this way. Or it comes with this long crossbody strap, which you can obviously wear as a crossbody. And all of the straps are interchangeable, so you can use this as a crossbody if you want a really small bag going out, or you can use this as a little wristlet if you really don't need a lot, like your keys and 1 credit card. So I love the versatility of the B set because really your imagination's the limit. All right, so let's actually pack up the Midi. Like I said, this is my first time owning a Midi, so I am very excited. So I'm going to put my sunglasses, my car keys, my chapstick, and my sanitizer, and my phone in that mommy pocket. And this is an iPhone 12 Pro Max. And there's still a lot of room in there. I just don't have anything else I need to put in there. All right, and then let's pack up, like I said, the medium B set piece. I'm gonna use this as my medicine bag today. I have bobby pins, hair ties, and some medicine. I have lotion, hairbrush, eye drops, sunblock stick, nail trimmers, and some odds and end medicine and like a headache pinch relief. All right, so those are all gonna go in there. I'm gonna put this in this front pouch right here, because I don't want my kids getting to it if they're gonna go into my bag. All right. And we can I'll put the change pad back in there. All right, so wallet is gonna go in this pocket right here. And then my battery pack and cord are also gonna go in here. It's gonna go in this pocket right here. My cord always comes undone. All right, and then let's pack some wipes. This is an Orchid Hearts wipes pouch. And then a little blanket lovey, because you never know when you're gonna need one. All right, and that's it. And then my water bottles will go on the side. I have a Hydro Flask 24-ounce water bottle. And then I have a Thermos Kids water bottle. So yeah, that is the new collection from JuJuBe called Ziggy. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!